Where is robot? Good job. Robot is, I'm going to use my ruler. Robot is here. Where is run? Good job, run. Very good. Where is rat? Where's rat? Good job, here. Rat. Very good. Where is ring? Ring. Where is ring? Very good. This is ring. Good job. Where is rainbow? Where is rainbow? Yes, this is rainbow. Good job. Well done, ruler. And well done, K1. Where is rose? Rose. Very good. This is rose. Good job. And where is rocket? Rocket. Good job. That's rocket. Okay, let's do it quicker this time. Ooh. Point to robot. Good. Point to run. Good. Point to rat. Point to rainbow. Point to rocket. Point to rabbit. Point to ruler. Point to rain. Very good. You were so quick. Well done. Good job. Okay. Now I want you to help me to find the letter R. Okay? So you can press pause on the video and use your magic finger to show me where is the letter R. Can you see? We can do uppercase R or lowercase r. Where is it? Let's see if my finger can find some letter R's. Can you see? Is this letter R? No, that's letter G. I can see a green letter R. Can you see a green uppercase R? Where is it? Yes, it's here. Good job. A green uppercase R. How about a lowercase r? Can you find a lowercase r? Good job. There's a lowercase r. Can you see an orange lowercase r? I can. Yes, it's here. An orange lowercase r. What sound does it make? R. Well done. How about this? Is that letter R? No. Good job. That's letter P. We need letter R. Can you see a blue letter R? I can see an uppercase letter R that's blue. Can you see anything on the page that begins with the R sound? I can see two robots. Say hello, robot. And hello, robot. Good job. Well done. Okay, let's see if we can find one more. Can you find a pink letter R that makes the R sound? Where is it? Let's see. That's pink. Is that R? No. R? No. Another pink one? Here? No, that's not letter R. Oh, here. Well done. This is letter R. Is it uppercase or lowercase? Uppercase. Very good. And what sound does it make? R, r. Very good. Well done. See if you can find some more. Any more letter R's? One here. Good job. Any more? Keep going. See if you can find them. Good job. Okay. Now we're going to use your magic finger. Can you put your magic finger in the air to make an uppercase R? Are you ready? Magic fingers up. 1, 2, 3, up. Good job. We're going to start at the top and go down. And then up and around and down. Good job. One more time. Fingers in the air. 1, 2, 3, up. Good. Start at the top and go down. Then back up and around and down. Well done. What sound does uppercase R make? R, r. Very good. And now we need to do lowercase r. So I want to see magic fingers in the air. 1, 2, 3, up. Good job. And we start at the top and go down and up and around. Good job. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Go down and up and around. Well done. Okay. Now I want you to get your rice. Have you got your rice? And we're going to use our magic fingers to make the letter R. Okay. Ready? Magic finger. 1, 2, 3. Into the rice. Do uppercase R. You go r, down, r, around, and r, down. Good job. Can we do it in the bowl? Ready? R, r, r. Awesome. Should we do lowercase r? Let's go again for lowercase r. Ready, magic fingers? 1, 2, 3. R, r. Awesome. This one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. R, r. Good job. Can you see the letter R? Very good. Awesome. Well done today, guys. Remembering the letter R. Very good. Say bye-bye, letter R. Bye-bye, letter R. Bye-bye, R. Bye-bye, R. Good job. And bye-bye, Miss Cat. Bye-bye, K1.